today we're going to show you Sarah's little TV room that Valinda designed. I didn't do anything. I just kind of watched along. I was like, if you need anything, I'll be drinking champagne. This room is awesome, by the way. I think everybody dreams about having a really dark, cozy room where you don't feel any shame just watching so much TV. I think this is a very nice little touch. Now, was this specifically designed to hold your very small paintings?
They were wanting some kind of storage and they really just didn't have like room for a credenza. So this will store like little things, but then we actually wired everything and hid all the electronics in here.
People really like this kind of stuff. So do you want to see where all the wires are? Yes, they do. They do. Okay. In here.
This is our Wi-Fi router, our PlayStation, which hooks up to the TV from under the floor. This used to be a really, really sharp, deep corner. And what we did is we took that space, and you can still see the angle, and we turned it into cabinet space back here.
Hot tip, please note, all the trim, so this cannot be a flat paint, it has to be a semi-gloss, it's more durable, but the walls are flat, correct?
Yeah.
So same color, two different finishes. I love this little old world gallery you have over here.
We got her at the flea market.
And I love that you didn't care that this one's not framed. You're just like, no, I'm gonna put it on the wall, and it looks cool.
Valinda told me it looked cool. So.
More to come, we have kitchen, master bedroom, guest bedroom,
From bathroom.
from bathroom. So stay tuned for all of that. Bye guys.